Right, 10th one in.
All right, so we're in Disney. We were at the gates before it opened.
No one here.
Yes. And here is the main street. It's a little bit empty. Okay, so we are at the Magic Kingdom today and we were front of the line. So we are one of the first ones in. Really exciting to be able to see Main Street this empty, to be able to see the castle without a million people in front of it. But now we are hurrying to get to Space Mountain to get in line. Yep. But there is the castle. So let's go. Okay, the park actually doesn't open until 8:30. It opened a half hour early for those that are staying at the Disney resorts. So we are right in front of the castle. As you can see, there is nobody. It is blocked off because they dropped the ropes at 8:30, but they let you in a little earlier to get in line. So as you can see, this line here, they're all going to the mine train because it's one of the busiest rides. We're not gonna go to the mine train this early. What we're gonna do is go to
Space Mountain.
Space Mountain. That is our choice this morning. Then we're gonna go over to Thunder Mountain, but it's just really cool to be in here before everybody else. But that line is going to be super long by 8:30, but not as long as it will be this afternoon. So we're gonna go ahead and go stand by the ropes by Space Mountain and ride that first.
Trying to make sure you're awake.
Ask if we can get behind.
Attention Space Mountain passengers. Space Mountain is a thrilling, high-speed, turbulent roller coaster ride in the dark that includes sharp turns, sudden drops, and stops.
There's going to be sharp turns.
Safe Space Mountain.
We're one of the first ones to head to, where are we going?
Thunder Mountain.
Thunder Mountain. So we're in front of the line. We're gonna get there first.
Splash Mountain. They're building it right now. What's the best movie there for? Why is there lots of good skating?
I don't know.
Which one is this one?
Universe.
We are on the first train.
Oh, you're on the first train.
First train of the morning.
Oh, Mickey, I just love the friendship fair. A day of joy and music and having fun together.
That's right. Lost rivers and grand farms to bring all sorts of friends together.
It's time to officially kick off the magical friendship fair.
Okay, so it's middle of the day. We've done 6 rides. We've done really good today. What are the 6 rides we've gone on?
We went on Space Mountain, Thunder Mountain. We went on Buzz Lightyear's
Small World.
Yeah, Small World.
And
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Pirates of the Caribbean and the driving one. So we did 6 rides already, and we ate lunch, and now we are going to head over to Hollywood Studios.
Yep. So guys, we just made it to Hollywood Studios and we are heading to the Tower of Terror.
Yes, it's going to be kind of a long wait, but after that, we're going to try to go to Toy Story Mania, then we're going to try to go to Epcot, and then back to Magic Kingdom. So let's see how this works out.
All you new toys to Andy's Backyard.
Okay, so we have left Hollywood Studios. We went on 2 of the rides, the ones we wanted to. What are the 2 rides we went on?
We went on Tower of Terror and then we went on Toy Story Mania.
Yeah, Toy Story Mania was exactly right on with the hour wait, but Tower of Terror was much faster. So now we are headed to Epcot, and today we are going to take the Skyliner for the very first time. We haven't been here since the Skyliner was going, and that's like these little gondolas. which is pretty cool. So we're taking that, which is really neat that it goes from Hollywood Studios to Epcot. You take it, you get off at one place, you transfer on another gondola type Skyliner, and then you're at Hollywood Studios. So it makes it super easy. You can walk if you want, but we decided not to walk this time because we never take the Skyliner.
You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to Epcot.
So we are at Epcot now, and we came over for our favorite ride, which is Test Track. I love Test Track.
We really like this ride. Now here's the thing, I 100% stand behind the fact that you need to do single rider line. Now if you're not riding with small children, this is perfect because we waited maybe 10 minutes, and you get to wait in line together in the single rider line, but you wait 10 minutes versus the 75 to 80 that everybody else is going to take to ride this. So definitely do single rider if you can. Like I said, you wait in line together, then you just go on separate cars for that 3 minutes. Who cares? You get done way faster, ignore the long wait, and just go right for single rider. So now we are maybe gonna look at Soarin', and we're gonna head to Magic Kingdom, back to Magic Kingdom on the monorail.
Yep.
Okay, so we made it back to Magic Kingdom in time for the fireworks and to ride 2 more rides. And now the park is closed.
Yep.
So we have been here since before open at 7:30 in the morning, and now it's 11:30 at night. We have been in Disney all day, 3 parks, all our favorite rides, and we ate as well, and we had snacks.
Yes, and the crazy thing is that I thought like you don't get to go on the ride past 11. But it's whoever's in the line past 11 o'clock. So like if you get in the line at 10:59, you get to stay until you get on the ride and finish your ride.
Right.
Then you have to go home.
And that's why it's 30 minutes after close and there's still people here because they've been riding rides, and we got in line before, what was it, Thunder Mountain?
Yeah, we got in line at like 10 o'clock and we finished at like 10:30.
Yeah, so that is it for our day at Disney. We did everything we wanted to do, and we're gonna end the video here because we're really tired, and that's all there is to write today. So we will see you guys later. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.